Hi vlog. I am currently trying to go on this little hike real quick, and you know, I'm hoping I don't get smacked because this is a different area that I'm at. I've never been here before, so you know, I just saw it passing on the way to where I was trying to go, so you're just gonna go with me. A stick. Here, y'all. Lordy Jordy. Bruh, the mosquitoes out here biting me up. Like, you know, the weird berries again. What are those? Hi vlog. So you have been through this journey with me before, and we're back. It's official. I'm starting my locks again. I'm so excited. But I'm also extremely exhausted. Part of me wants to rest and do the rest of this, but I'm going to come back to the same thing where I'm going to be like, oh dang, I gotta do my hair. So I'm just giving y'all a peek. The product that I'm using, that works for me. Talia Wajid. I'm so sorry. I don't know how to say her name. Or Talia Black Earth Products. I've used this years ago. I think I used this first, and then, because I had a lot more of these laying around. They went up $1. Just the economy in general, everything's going up. So this first, and then once like my hair is like starts like locking up, which usually, at least last time, it locked up on the shaft. If you're looking at your hair length, you got the root, you got the ends, and the shaft is like the body, kind of like a paragraph. And then eventually I use this stuff. This stuff is great. I'm just gonna do a 360 in hopes that it looks okay. I'll give you one more time. It's just before 12, 11:52. I am done. You can't really see the parts, but I feel like I did the best that I could. I've been waiting for such a long time to start these, and it's here. Like it's actually here. You're gonna keep hearing me say that. But yeah, here it is. Start the other half like some days ago. There's one I forgot. I'm glad I did that video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give
Okay, last video wasn't that great. Why? Hello? What's going on, honey? Why is it so dark? What is that? I don't know, y'all. The lighting, oh my gosh, it is so bad. I face this way, maybe? You know what? I'm just gonna, it's dark. What is happening? I'm just gonna say goodnight, y'all. I'm excited to go to bed. It's been a while since I did a full care skin routine. And tomorrow we're going to craft and we're going to be outside. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, had a great time vlogging today. A really good time. I don't know. I feel really refreshed after working some pretty rough hours the past couple weeks, but hard work, it does pay off. I was able to pay the bills that I needed to and take care of my car. Bruh. My car was going through it. But anyway, good night.
Whether we are in a season of joy, a season of hardship, the future and the life and the people that you have made us to be is so amazing to hope for. And that the return of your Son, his rule and reign on this earth, that's such a glorious thing that we can be.
I vlog. I'm trying to be outside and record, but I'm nervous because look. The blinds are open, and I feel like they're watching me. Hey y'all, I'm just gonna do a little voiceover over this crafting activity. Lately I've been drawing, so here are some pictures of some things I've been crafting, really. But I just wanted to share a scripture that I was writing on my friend's card, and I totally understand if Christianity is not your thing, disregard, I'm not judging, But it's Psalm 23, verses 1 through 2. The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. And I just wanted to share that because my friend got baptized this day. And I was so glad to be able to get permission to be like, hey, can I put it in my vlog? But it was a great thing to witness her being united with God and her friends around her as well. And the sunset was beautiful. Had a nice ride home. But thanks for watching my vlog, guys. I know that my vlogs have been kind of a little bit all over the place, but I just want to post whatever I want to post and have fun with it. But thank you so much. Love y'all. Stay tuned. This is me editing one of my previous vlogs. I forgot that was in there. But anyway, okay, bye.